going on? Today I'm going to be unboxing a 10-ton Porta Power jack. And you see this how it comes. It's from LKF on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description if you want to buy one. But that's pretty much how it comes. It came earlier than expected. So let's get into it. It says 10-ton capacity hydraulic body frame repair kit. Let's see, it's got these clips on the side also. Take that out. Alright, so there it is. And this is not, I got this not for body work, but I got this to, I do diesel repairs on semis. And sometimes this comes in very handy to change out bushings, to change out, you know, the shocks on the cab. You can lift the cab with this. That's why I got this. And I just want to show you guys what comes in the pack. I probably won't know what some of these things are for, but I mean, I can find a use for them. That one you put a jack. I guess this is to push out like parts of the body that are bent. Same here. You know, shoe. Hold something up. Part of the frame. Now this one I have used before. This is the spreader. And one time I was trying to get a bolt on a motor mount, and it wasn't aligning properly, so I just shimmed this in between the frame and the motor, and I was able to get that bolt in without having to, you know, move the motor around and all that kind of stuff. Got this handle for the jack, extension, another extension. But these are several parts that you put together. See, this comes apart in 3 parts. See, so probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grease this up later on just to make sure it doesn't get rusted off in there or anything. We'll have more different types of adapters and things like that. So I might look into it and see what all this is for. You know, since I'm not really doing body work, but I know how more or less some of these are applicable in my field. This is the actual hydraulic ram right here. Let's see, 10-ton plunger lifting distance cant over 132. Plunger lifting distance cant over 132. What that means? We've got more different adapters here. Now what I like about this is a portable unit, so I can, you know, just carry this case in my truck and it'll be ready to go. Give a quick demo. Just put that there. We'll attach the jack handle like so. And this knob right here is to actually make the pressure to release and to actually put the hydraulic power into this unit. Got this little cover right here. And there is higher price ones, but I'm not gonna be paying too much money for something that I use, rarely. So I got one of the lower end jacks here, and this was about $130, I believe. So there it is. As you can see, I already closed my valve over here. Should just pump it and it'll start coming up. It's right there. And to release it, you just undo this knob a little bit, you'll release the pressure to the jack. And there you guys have it. I'm gonna look into all these different extensions and all that, what they're used for. I'll probably just find a use for them, and you guys stay tuned to my videos, and you'll definitely see me use this. So there it is, you guys, the 10-ton portable power jack. Hope you guys have a good day and stay safe out there. Peace. Alright guys, so just a quick video on how I do my flat repairs and how I use my Porta Power. So to do this flat, this is on a Ram work truck. I went ahead and I chucked the wheels. I chucked 2 wheels. I jacked up the truck. I had to unmount the tire by using my Porta jack, and I just went ahead and used this attachment right here on the back, this one right here in the front. What I did is I propped it up against my truck, and I put it right against that bead, and I was able to unbead this tire like that. And then, as you can see, I already went ahead and I buffed out the area, and I already threw on some rubber cement. I'm just waiting for it to get tacky. Then for the hole, I went ahead and I used this special drill attachment, and that'll get the hole to the proper size, and it will also, it'll move the steel wires out of the way. That way my patch and plug does not get caught up. And then this is pretty much all I use, unless it's like a pinhole leak. So this is the patch and plug. You can see right there. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, this protection right here. Take it off. I'll stick it in, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys that in here in a bit. Alright guys, so now I've set in my patch and plug. Now that the rubber cement is tacky, went ahead and pulled it out on this side with some pliers. That little needle will stick out, and just pull it through. And now we're gonna use this I don't know, like the patch welder, I guess is the name for it. It's got a technical name, but I can't remember right now. And now we're just gonna flatten it out. Start from the middle and work your way out, both sides, left to right, and then start from the middle and front and back. And I'll go ahead and do that. And once it's in, once it's all good, I'll go ahead and just cut this tip off. Alright, I went ahead and got that nice and flat. On this side, I'm gonna do is cut as flush as I can to that plug, like so. And there you go. You got this right here. And now on the inside, what I like to do is take off that protective film. I'll take off that film, and I'll just add a light coating of rubber cement right around the edge, like so, right around the edge, and we should be good to go. So now I'm just gonna set the tire back in and set the tire back on, and there you guys have it. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll try and come up with more of these nifty little videos just to give you guys an idea of what I do and how I do it. There you guys go. Be safe out there and take care. Peace.